Hallo, ich bin Arno Frisch und ich bin hier beim Molins Terror Festival und möchte euch einladen, vorbeizuschauen. It was quite easy to do so. The two killers are playing a game, so they're like joking all the time and they're not really serious about what they're doing. And so they're not really dealing with what's happening in their mind. So that you, as an actor, in this case, you don't really have to go there, but you can keep it on this gaming level. So it was much more easy than it looks like to go there. Kind of makes sense. Not really, not really. I also don't really know a film you could compare to this one, where the killers just do it for fun and just having the game. Maybe Clockwork Orange, yeah. So they just do their own thing and make the games without seeing what happens, what the reaction is or whatever. And then there were different films with funny games like Natural Born Killers, or where you have similar murderers. But actually, no, I didn't. Yeah, no. So we worked most of the time in the studio. So it was like five weeks in the studio and 1 week outside. And when we work in the studio, it's very concentrated, very focused atmosphere. So you can really get down to the point. And as I said, from the character play, or Frank and I did play, so we had our thing ongoing, kind of, our mood ongoing, and obviously the difficult part is that the parents were Ulrich Mühe and Susie Lothar were really under pain all the time, and I think for an actor to go there again and again, scene for a scene, that's really hard. So that's the hard part actually. He just called me up and told me that he has another book and he wants me to read it. And I was, yeah, give me to read. I didn't know what's coming up. And when I first read it, I was like electrified. It was really crazy script. Yeah. And then I was very enthusiastic about it. Yeah, and very happy to do it. Yeah. To be honest, when I see it, I would immediately change things. Just also back then, I would. I always see things I can do differently. It's it's always like that. I don't know. It's you always learn. I mean, when you see yourself, you see what you did. I'm not. You can't train in front of a mirror or something. You can train acting. You just see what you've done in the end. Yeah, you do it out of another mood, and in the end you see what you've done. And I always would do things differently. I don't know. I'm never satisfied somehow. Yeah, maybe when the ship sank, we went sailing and we were testing how we do the sailing part, where the victim is she's bound. No, how do you say? She's tied up, and she sits down in the sailing boat, and she's at the other side. And the director and the cameraman, they're also on the other side, on the wrong side of the boat, kind of, you know. And Frank and me, we are on the right side, and I'm sailing. I'm used to sail, and we were testing the day before we started shooting, and the cameraman had a very brand new camera. He wanted to test it out because he wanted to use it for shooting, and and we wanted to go, and I told Micha and Haneke, come on, we don't have enough weight on the right side. You know, when you start sailing like this, it can be fatal. And he said, yeah, well, we tested. Come on, we tested. We will see. And I told him, no, yeah, but I don't have to see it. I know it can be very fast. And he said, yeah, come on, we do it. And it came in exactly this way. So the wind came, and so we started, and we were talking like blah blah blah, and then the wind came, bam, and was it Kenta? The boat fell into the water, and and the cameraman was holding his camera, and afterwards we found out. So he told us he cannot swim. He was not non-swimmer, and he was holding his new camera. And the divers were rescuing everybody, and yeah. And then we did it differently when we were shooting.